Good morning to all of you. Welcome back to A to Z Healthcare channel. Today, we are going to go into the amazing world of natural treatments and examine the many health advantages of castor oil. This multi-purpose oil is made from the seeds of the castor plant and has been utilized for its therapeutic benefits for ages. Let's look at the incredible castor oil health benefits you should be aware of. But before we begin, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the bell to stay updated. Benefit number 1. Skin Moisturizer. First up, castor oil is a fantastic all-natural skin moisturizer because of its thick consistency, which helps to trap moisture. Your skin feels supple and well hydrated. To hydrate your skin overnight, simply massage a tiny amount of castor oil onto it before going to bed. Benefit number 2. Natural Arthritis Remedy. Castor oil is a great massage oil for arthritic pain, sore muscles, and nerve inflammation because of its anti-inflammatory qualities. Castor oil is thought to be a safe treatment for arthritis pain because it includes ricinoleic acid, which can enhance the body's anti-inflammatory qualities. There are several different methods for treating arthritic pain using castor oil. Benefit number 3. Natural Constipation Reliever. A popular remedy for constipation is castor oil. The natural constipation remedy's many ingredients work together to create a potent laxative and stimulate the large and small intestines and clears the colon's wall, making it possible for impacted fecal matter to pass through the colon. The fatty acids in castor oil also help the intestine retain its moisture, which makes it easier for it to travel through the colon by preventing liquid from being absorbed by the digestive tract. Benefit number 4. Hair growth. Want to encourage the growth of hair? Castor oil could be the solution. It has ricinoleic acid, which stimulates hair follicles and helps to increase blood circulation to the scalp. For thicker, healthier hair, massage castor oil into your scalp regularly. Benefit number 5. Dandruff Remover. Thanks to castor oil, annoying dandruff can be said to be gone. Its antibacterial qualities fight the underlying causes of dandruff, such as fungal infections, while its moisturizing qualities aid in relieving dryness and flakiness. Benefit number 6. Acne Treatment. Castor oil works well to cure acne since it has antibacterial and anti-inflammatory qualities as well. Its capacity to deeply penetrate the skin aids in pore cleaning and irritation reduction, which over time results in clear skin. Benefit number 7. Wound Healing. The antibacterial qualities of castor oil make it an invaluable tool for wound healing because it keeps the injured area clean and moisturized. It can help prevent infection and speed up healing when applied to the minor burns, scrapes, and wounds. Benefit number 8. Insomnia Relief. If you suffer from insomnia, castor oil can help you fall asleep. Instead of taking harmful medication to help your insomnia, rub castor oil along your eyelids before going to bed. Your body absorbs the oil and promotes healthy circulation, helping you to become more relaxed and inducing you to sleep. So, these are the top 8 health benefits of castor oil. Including castor oil into your daily routine can provide various health advantages, such as encouraging hair development, reducing inflammation in the skin, and alleviating pain in your joints. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel for more health and wellness tips. We will see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.